Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is on unavailable. So if you have tried wrong password on your iPhone, now your iPhone is stuck on unavailable, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, how you can fix iPhone unavailable error without computer or without passcode. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So it doesn't matter which iOS or iPhone you're using or which iOS version you're using. So if your iPhone is unavailable, let me show you how to fix it. So to fix this problem we need another device. It can be Android device or any other iPhone, or you can use your friend device. So in my case I have this iPhone right here, so I'm going to fix this iPhone unavailable error with the help of this iPhone. So once you have another iPhone or Android device, you have to go to browser, any browser. You can go to Safari browser, Google Chrome. Make sure that you are connected to internet. Then here search for iCloud.com and go to the official iCloud.com Apple website, and then simply click on sign in, and then you have to sign in the same Apple ID that was logged on this iPhone. So this is the same Apple ID I was using on this iPhone. You can continue with Face ID, Touch ID, or you can click on use different Apple ID. So if it's not your Apple ID, so make sure that you use the same Apple ID that was logged in on this device in order to work this method. So if you use different Apple ID, this method won't work. So once you're logged in with the same Apple ID, as you can see, click on this menu and then click on Find My iPhone app, and then just wait. And then here you will see devices that are logged in with the same Apple ID. So you have to select the iPhone that is unavailable. So in my case, this is the iPhone that is unavailable. Then simply click on Erase iPhone and then click on Continue. And then you have to confirm your Apple ID password that you want to erase that iPhone. You can continue with Touch ID, Face ID, or Apple ID password. Then click on Next and click on Done. Now you will get message that saying erase started. Now this iPhone will start erasing automatically. Click on OK. Now as you can see, the iPhone will start erasing. Now click on Remove from account and click on Remove. Enter your Apple ID password, so you don't have to enter your Apple ID while doing the setup. Once you have removed, now you don't need this device, then simply you can just wait until this iPhone is completely. So here we go. Once it's done, you will get this iPhone locked on. Now you can press the home button, or if you have the iPhone X or later, you can swipe up, click on continue, then connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi. So now as you can see, the iPhone unavailable error has been fixed. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.